Apparently I did a thing. A few years ago I opened another Etsy account for some reason and I completely forgot about it. And then I remembered a few months ago that I have that account opened. And I opened a new Etsy shop and I'm going to show you the results of the first month of that shop. I'm not sure how much energy and time will I have to put into this shop, but for the first month of its being with products, it has been open for a while, but it has a few products, about 15 to 20 products, and it had some good results for March. And I'm going to share with you the results for this new Etsy shop, new operating Etsy shop, because it has been open for a while, but it got some products just recently. I will not tell you the niche, but I can tell you that much, that it is a saturated niche and it is really hard to get sales in it. But it is not printable wall art, because I despise printable wall art. It's that saturated, not because I do not like wall art, but because it is that saturated that I don't think that even with years of experience you can rank really easily in wall art. But this niche is also very saturated. Yes, I will just show you the realistic results for a brand new operating Etsy shop, and let's hop over to my computer screen and I will tell you more about it. I added the products to this shop in February and I let them sit for a while, and then I started to gain some traction. And as you can see here, in March I averaged around 50 to 75 views a day. Now, I know that these views are this high because it is a niche that is very sought after in the summer months. So that's why I know that this level of views and maybe sales will not be very feasible after the month of September, let's say, because this niche will go out of season then. But year after year in the summer months, I think it can produce some extra income for me and for my business. So I had 2080 views, 52 orders, a conversion rate of 2.5, and 181 euros in revenue. That is in the first operating month, which I consider really good compared to the printable planner shop that I have. And if you haven't seen my March income report for the editable template shop and the printable planner shop, you can watch that here. It is catching up to the printable planner shop. But big disclaimer, this is a very seasonal niche. I am really happy about the results, considering the fact that I only have 15 to 20 products in this shop. And here is the revenue. I did not make a sale every day, and one of the bestseller products, it's only selling for 3 euros, but there were some days when I sold 3 of that. And I haven't touched this shop in quite a while, in the sense that I did not upload any products, and this shop is not a star seller shop because I missed some messages. But nonetheless, there were some sales. And the best day was the 27th of March with 18 euros in revenue. Keep in mind that this is revenue and not profit. I will show you that in a second as well. I cannot show anything from the marketing side because I do not have any coupons or sales going on in the month of March, but I will consider doing some in April or in May. May being one of the most interesting months. Well, the best period for this niche shop will be from May through the end of August, maybe early September. After that, I think that this shop will go quite dormant. And here is how much I actually made in this shop. I took home 133 euros in the first month of this shop being operational. I consider that for the first month a really good result. There were 45 euros worth of fees. Overall, for the first month, I think we did great. I hope to add about 10 more products into this shop, and I want to change some of the listing images on the already existing listings and to boost them a little bit. I think I might run some ads, but it is a very competitive niche and I don't know, I will have to sleep on it with the ads. But for the first month I really liked these results. And the thing with seasonal and niche digital product shops is that you cannot rely on a high level of sales and a high level of income throughout the year. And in a few months, I will have to think about what this shop will sell in the upcoming winter holiday season, when it comes to Christmas and Thanksgiving and things like that. Those are some niche and limited time frame products as well, so I will have to come up with an action plan for this one. We will see how much my time will allow to create new products for this shop. I wanted to start a new shop because my other two shops are already established shops and they have more than 10,000 sales. The editable template shop has more than 35,000 sales. And I wanted to see if I can still do the magic with a brand new shop. So here is it. I really hope to scale this shop some more. Tell me in the comments down below if you would like for me to continue this series and if you would like for me to talk about how I would grow an Etsy digital products shop from the scratch in 2023. Let me know it down in the comments. And if you have any questions regarding starting an Etsy shop, just follow me on Instagram and send me a message there and I will try to help you out. So yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online and all things related to that. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!